First, draw a cactus on your canvas. Very light lining. Draw a pot and a cactus. Like I am drawing 3 cactus. And lining should be very light. Follow my steps. Our drawing is complete. Now we will color our canvas. Take black color. Black acrylic color. And do it on your canvas. Leave the area of cactus and pot. Do not color cactus and pot. Color the whole canvas black except the pot and cactus. Do it very neatly. All the edges. Now black color is completed. Take green color and color the center part of your cactus. Only the center part. Like first I'm doing the first cactus and it is done very neatly. Now the second cactus. Again in the center. Do it very properly and neatly so it can look good. Now color the third cactus. Like we have done the 2 others. Do it that way only. It should be neat. And it is done. All the linings and the part will be very neat, should be very neat. Now mix a little black color in the green color in a very small amount, so that it becomes a little darker than what we have done. Make a smooth mixture of the green and a black color, a little darker than what we have done. Now do the first part of your cactus. Color it like I am doing. Now color the one strip of your second cactus. There are 5 sections of your second cactus, right? So do the other section very neatly. Now in the third cactus, there are 4 sections. So one we have done. Now we will do the other one. Do it very properly, neatly, so that it can look good. Now mix the little more black color in the color what we have, the dark green color what we have made before. Add black color in that color only, and now do the other section of your cactus. So there are 3 shades of green, as you can see. Now do the other parts of your cactus. First and the third and second cactus. Leave the first one. This shade is also completed. In today's video we will do only this. In next session we will do the other part. Thank